The French government has launched a crackdown on radical Islam. It is undertaking a wave of measures to root out religious extremism, the foremost being the investigation of at least 76 mosques in the country. The French Interior Minister says these mosques could pose a threat to national security and may get shut down if the doubts are confirmed. As the crackdown begins, French Muslims have raised fears that the move could alienate them in the French society. Our next report gets you both sides of the story.
A knife attack outside the Charlie Hebdo headquarters. A beheading of a middle school teacher in a Paris suburb. And the beheading of a churchgoer in Nice. France has suffered heavily due to Islamic terror. The French government has launched an all-out crackdown on radicals. It is undertaking a wave of unprecedented measures to combat religious extremism.
According to our intel services, there are 76 places of worship which are suspected of radicalization and separatism.
France is expected to investigate at least 76 mosques, flagged as possible threats to the country's republican values and security. If the doubts are confirmed, they will be closed down. Investigators are digging into the financing of mosques and the backgrounds of imams suspected of peddling radical theories.
There are, in some concentrated areas, places of worship which are clearly anti-republican, where imams are followed by the intel services and where the discourse runs counter to our values, such as equality between men and women, anti-Semitism, hatred against Catholics, hatred against France, and financing that looks more than suspicious.
In the last 10 months, a total of 8 major terror-related incidents have taken place in France. They range from the ramming of cars, to the stabbing and shooting of policemen, to the beheading of a teacher and a churchgoer. France is home to the biggest population of Muslims in Europe. At least 8% of the French population follows Islam. But in recent years, many French Muslims have often been accused of harboring extremist sympathies. In October, right before middle school teacher Samuel Paty was beheaded for showing a caricature of Prophet Muhammad to his students, the Grand Mosque of Pantin on the outskirts of Paris was provoking Muslim sentiments. The mosque authorities shared a video on their Facebook page peddling hatred against Samuel Paty. The video was taken down shortly after Samuel Paty was beheaded. The French government ordered a 6-month-long closure of the mosque. Now the closures are slowly spreading to other mosques in the country. The government's crackdown has left some Muslims feeling increasingly alienated in their own country.
What I want to highlight is that out of 2,500 mosques and places of worship in France, we are talking of 76, so less than 3%. A very big majority don't have any problems. And if we talk of 18 mosques that could be closed, it is less than 1%. So again, it's often the failing ones. That comprise a minority who make headlines. Unfortunately, silencing the majority who are moving with the times and their religion. We feel that government decisions and plans are off the mark. Islam sells. It's the daily obsession of some politicians, some elected officials, and some media, for whom we are their main business.
Defeating religious extremism needs strong and decisive action. France has suffered due to terror more than any other European nation. Its efforts to curb radical Islam must not be mistaken for Islamophobia. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.